Welcome back everyone, Legend here. I hope you enjoyed the last show of Banjo-tooie. So today we're back with Banjo-tooie and Banjo-kazooie and the Witch Warden Carnival, that beautiful place where I am looking for powers because I have some place I like. I cannot do without those powers. I'm like, I need that. I need to find some powers for that. I cannot do anything for now. If I don't have the power, I cannot do that. So, exploring the map to find those beautiful powers for me. Because if I don't have the powers, I cannot do anything. Nope, I heard that. I need to be able to fly. If I cannot fly, I cannot do things. Rah! Goodbye. I can be taking that if you don't mind. Alright. Unlike that. Get out. Oh yeah, we're looking for my powers. If I'm not able to get my power up, it's gonna be a little hard to continue exploring. There you go. I need to be able to climb. To climb or to be able to move from one path to another. Nope. Not even thinking about it. Up we go, slowly but surely. Got it. Hey, buddy. Got it. These are the clamber boats, but you'll have to come and find me before you can use them. Ah, I got boots there, but I cannot use them. Alright, shit. So I need to be able to go from path 1 to path B. So I need to go up. And be able to go on the other side. Goodbye. Alright. And that's the way to do it. There you go. Press the switch. Press B to experience the scenic splendor of the cable car ride across the space zone. There you go. Time to go. I got the Jinjo that was there, so we're good for that. And there's an piece up there. Oops, I fucked up. Switch camera side, please. Again. Come on. There you go. There you go. we can pass to the other side. Smash that. There we go, we have the jump. Knock knock. It's the box. Bleep! The saucer of spirit is currently closed due to a lack of power. Bleep! We have no power, so we cannot do anything. Please come back later. Like, yep, goodbye. I'm like, okay. I need to find Mambo. Yeah, that place is... The star spinner, I cannot use it if I don't find Mambo. So first, I get... Ow! You were there. I didn't see you. We need to go to the wigwam. Time to transform. And cash. One would call this Van carry much coin. Use control to stick to move and press B2 for horn. I'm a car. Vroom vroom. Boop. On my way. I'm fat. Yeah. On my way. Be here to enter the fearsome furnace of the Inferno. Here you go. The ride's now open. Nom 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 nom. There you go. Jump and ready to go. Hi! We got a page. In the lava we go. We can drive in the lava. I don't care. Boom. I got the Lobo. Oh. Activate that. We can just go in the lava, like, I don't care. Activate the switch. There you go, switch activated. Ah. Crap. That's the shoes. The guy's stuck there. Like, help. Help me. I'm a car. Watch it where you're going. Boom. I'm a car, I'm running around. Or should I say driving around? Hi. I can be taking that. Thank you. There's nothing for me on that side. So I'm just driving around. Not mind me, guys. Get out. Hey, buddy. Area 51. I got another Jinjo. Let's go. I remember there's one missing for me. I was missing those notes? Okay. Goodbye. There you go. I think there was something here for that. No, wrong call. Hey, buddy. So we can just go and go back to my original form. Let's go. But I think for the... Let's go back to my normal form. Here you go. We're good. I think I need to be only Kazooie for there. So let's go and split up. Let's go try that. All right. Oopie, hurry up. Welcome to Oop Real Challenge. You have 60 seconds in which to score 30 points. Do you want to hear the rule? Pretty simple. Ready. Jump through the oops. Blue ones are worth 3 points. Greens get you 2 points. Reds get you 1 point. Easy, huh? Let's give it a go. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! God damn it. So, say 60 points. Nope. Oh yeah, jump through it. Come on. I fucked up. It's harder than it seems. God damn it. No, you can't have your score enough point to win my Oop Airy prize. Let's go. Do you want to play again? Nope. So, it's gonna be all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you all next time, and let's Order Gen continue.